and welcome back to the Superior Van and Mobility YouTube channel. Today we're going to take a look at the BraunAbility Chrysler Chassis Companion Van. Unlike the traditional wheelchair van conversions, which lower the entire floor from the firewall to third row, the companion van features a center cut design. That means the lower floor extends only between the front and rear seats, offering a budget-friendly option while still providing essential accessibility. One of the key features of this van is the Easy Convert manual ramp system. It's sturdy, easy to operate, and can handle up to 1,000 pounds. With a ramp width of over 30 inches, the door opening height of 53 inches, and once you're inside, your height is 56 inches. The front seats are not removable. However, you do have the OEM center console for cup holders and storage. This is the first wheelchair van that allows you to upgrade from a manual ramp to a power ramp at your mobility dealer. So if your needs change over time, you don't have to buy a new vehicle. You can simply upgrade your manual ramp to a power ramp, making it even easier to enter and exit the vehicle. Whether you're looking for a reliable manual ramp system or planning ahead for future power upgrade, the BraunAbility Chrysler Companion Van is an excellent choice for accessibility transportation. Please visit your local store or superiorvan.com today for more information.